Okay, so we have your u dv plus v du. So we're going to multiply x squared by 6x squared, 6x to the fourth, x squared by 5, 5x squared, 3 by 6, 18x squared, 3 by 5, 15. For this one, 2x cubed by 2x, 4x to the fourth, plus 5x, we have 10x squared. Okay? So next, collecting like terms, no? So if we're going to collect like terms, so we have 6 plus 4, 10x to the fourth. Okay? And then, 5x squared plus 18, we have 23. Okay? Plus 10, we have 33x squared. Then we have 15. Okay? So therefore, simplified further, we have 10x to the fourth plus 33x squared plus 15. That is our y prime, or that's our first derivative. Okay? So this is our formula using the u dv plus v du. So tulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, on the left side, ito yung FOIL method, no? Ang ginamit nila. So ang ginamit nila dito, multiply na kagad without using this formula. Pwede rin po yun. X squared by 2x cubed, 2x to the fourth. X squared by 2x cubed, 5x cubed, 3 by 2x, 6x, 3 by 5x, 15x. Then, we're going to get the collect like terms. 5 plus 6, we have 11x cubed. Then, pag kinuha natin yung first derivative nito, 5 by 2, 10x the 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 by 11, 33, x raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. Then, 15, x raised to 0 is 1. So, we have 15. So, whichever solution do you prefer, pareho lang po yung sagot po natin. Okay? That is for multiplication. So, kung sa alam nyo kung ano yung mas madali, wala namang problema, at least they arrive at the same solution. So, example again, we have differentiate the function of x, 6x cubed minus x, multiplied by 10 minus 20x. Solution, this is easier than the previous one. Just run it through the product rule, then simplify. Okay? So this is our u. Our u is 3 by 6. We have 18x squared. Derivative ng x is 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to 0 is 1. Okay? So yan yung ano natin. Okay? This is our du. Yung b natin ito. 10 minus 20x, ito po siya. Okay? Plus, this is our u. u, 6x cubed minus x. Then, ito yung b natin. Derivative ng constant is 0. Minus 20x raised to 1 minus 1. X raised to 0 is 1. So, 20 times 1 is negative 20. Okay? So, this is our u dv. This is our v du. Okay? So, simplified further using the FOIL method, 18 by 10, we have 180x squared. Okay? 18x squared by 10, 180. 80 by negative 20 is 360 ata. Okay? So, 360x cubed. Okay? Negative 1 by 20x is negative 20x. Okay? So, simplified further, naging 40x, x by negative 20x. So, negative magiging positive 20x. Negative by negative 20x, positive 20x. So, we have 40x. Okay? 6x cubed times negative 20, we have negative 120x cubed. Okay? So, negative 120x cubed, tapos ito is negative 360. So, this one is only 480. Hindi siya 480, 4,806. This is only 480x cubed plus 180x squared plus 40x minus 10. So, that's now our first derivative. So, may kulang po siya dito, no? So, napansin nyo kung ano yung kulang. So, after applying the formula, this is our original equation, titignan po natin, Okay? May kulang po siya dito. Dito, dapat meron na siyang prime po. Kasi we already get the first derivative. So, dapat may f prime x na po siya. Since we already done using the power rule formula. Okay? Ito, original equation, walang problema. Dito, na-differentiate na natin. So, dapat may prime dito, may prime po dito. Which implies na already done getting their first derivative. So next, we have your another example. Differentiate y is equal to the cube root of x squared multiplied by 2x minus x squared. Solution. Before using the product rule, we should convert the radical to a fractional exponent. So, to show, there's the m root of the x raised to n, we're going to have that x raised to 2/3. If we're going to express this one into fractional exponent, ito na siya. X raised to 2/3 multiplied by 2x minus x squared. Okay? So, dito, gagawin po natin, we are going to use the formula. This is our u, this is our v. Okay? So, dito, kunin natin yung u natin, v natin. Yung v natin is 2x minus x squared. Tapos yung u natin, x raised to 2/3. Okay? Ito yung v, ito yung u. So, what you have here is v du plus u dv. So, unahin mo natin yung u dito. This is our u, kunin natin yung du niya. Okay, so paano kunin yung du? These are exponents, magiging 2 all over 3. Ilalagay natin sa base. So, we have 2/3 multiplied by x raised to 2/3 minus 1. So, 2/3 minus 1, that is negative 1/3. So, ito na yung du po natin. Okay? Plus, ito yung ano natin, no? Ito yung b po natin. Okay? So, kunin natin yung first derivative nito. So, x raised to 1 minus 1 is 1. So, x raised to 0 is 1 times 2 is 2. Tapos ito, ilalagay natin sa base, we have minus 2, then multiply by x is 2x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? So, already our formula, we have b du plus u dv. Okay? With some simplification, we can get the answer y prime is equal to 4/3 x raised to 2/3 minus 2/3 x raised to 5/3. Okay? Then, we have minus 2x raised to 5/3 is equal to 10 all over 3 x raised to 2/3 minus 8 all over 3 x raised to 5/3. So, halimbawa, if we're going to simplify this one, 2 times 2, we have 4, no? So, 4/3. Tapos, x raised to negative 1/3 multiplied by 1 or plus 1. So, we have 2/3. 2 all over 3, x raised to 1/3, multiply na ito. So, 2 times 1 is 2, so we have 2/3 pa rin. X raised to negative 1/3 plus 2, so we have 5 all over 3. Plus x raised to 2/3 multiplied by 2, 2x raised to 2/3. X raised to 2/3 multiplied by 2x, so we have 2x, 2/3 plus 1. Ito, no? So, magiging 5 all over 3. So, simplify it further. Okay? So, we're going to collect like terms yung 2/3. Ito yung 2/3. Ito yung 2/3. So, we have 10 all over 3. Okay? So, gagawin po natin, kunin yung LCD nila ito is 3, no? 3 divided by 3 is 3. Multiply 1 multiply by 4 is 4. 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2 is 6. So, 6 plus 4, we have 10 all over 3 x raised to 2/3. Tapos yung 2 all over 3, 5 all over 3 plus 2x 5 all over 3. So, ganun din po. Our exponent LCD nila will be 3. 3 divided by 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 2 is 2. 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, we have 8. Then 5 all over 3. So, that is our y prime. And that's the way how we're going to simplify exponent, no? And fractions. Okay, for the last one, we have your the quotient rule. Tapos na tayo sa addition, subtraction, multiplication. So by this time, we have now the quotient rule. So the derivative of u divided by b with respect to dx equal to b du all over dx minus u dv all over dx all over b squared. Doon sa multiplication, meron tayong shortcut, no? Ito medyo mahabang i-memorize. Kung multiplication, u times b, the answer is u dv plus b du. So since multiplication is commutative, pwede rin siya sa b du plus u dv. Walang problema. We can have u dv plus b du. Ngayon, for division, ito na yung shortcut formula niya. Yung b du divided by dx minus u dv all over dx all over b squared, pwede rin natin sabihin b du minus u dv all over b squared. For this time, division is not, subtraction is not commutative, no? Hindi siya pwedeng pagbaliktarin. So ito yung fixed na formula po natin for division. b du minus u dv all over b squared. Pero pag sa multiplication, u dv plus b du or b du plus u dv. Okay? So we have our example. The derivative of 2x cubed plus 5x divided by x squared plus 3 with respect to dx. Ibig pong sabihin, ito yung u natin, ito yung b po natin. So from our formula, we have b du minus u dv. So b du minus u dv. So ito yung u, ito yung b po natin. So ito yung b natin, ito siya, x squared plus 3. Tapos yung u natin, 2x cubed plus 5x. Ito. So meron na tayong v, meron na tayong u. Sunod, kunin natin yung du nito, derivative nito. So 3 times 2 is 6. X raised to 3 minus 1 is x squared. So nandito siya. X raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. So x raised to 0, 1 times 5 is 5 po siya. So that's our du. Okay, next. Ito yung b po natin. Kukunin natin yung first derivative niya. So 2, lalagyan natin sa base, times x, 2 minus 1 is 1 pa rin. So we have 2x. Derivative ng 3 is constant. Okay? So derivative ng 3 is constant, kaya naging 2x na lang siya. So therefore, all over, ito siya, b squared. X squared plus 3, and then raised to 2. So that is our answer. Or you can have your solution using the FOIL method. So pwede natin ituloy yun, no? Pwede nyo rin gawin yun. Ang gawin po natin para ma-simplify po natin is using the FOIL method, i-multiply natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos ito, didistribute natin. Then after that, collect like terms para lalabas yung value ng ating numerator. Pero, yung denominator po natin, wag na po natin siyang expand. Dahil may raised to 2 on our equation or your formula po natin. May raised to 2. So, hindi na kailangan i-expand dito yung a plus b raised to 2, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Hindi po natin gagamitin po yan. As is na po ito. Okay? So, that's our answer. And last, differentiate the value over z is equal to 3z plus 9 divided by 2 minus z. So again, this is our u, this is our dv. So formula, b du minus u dv. So yung b natin is 2 minus z, ito na siya. Tapos yung u natin is 3z plus 9. So kukunin natin yung derivative nito, rx1 is 1, 1 by 3 is 3, z minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0, so 3 times 1 is 3. So this is our v, this is our du. Minus u, then derivative ng constant is 0. Derivative ng negative c is negative 1. Okay? So simplifying it further, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times z is 3z, no? So minus 3z, no? So yung positive 3z dito, magkakancel na siya. Okay? So negative 1 multiplied by 3z is positive 1. Positive 3z. Yung 3z dito na negative, positive siya, magkakancel. Okay? Negative 1 multiplied by 9 is negative 9. Negative 9, tapos ito, magiging positive 9 po siya. So positive 9 plus 6, we have 15. So that's now the results of our numerator. And then, yung denominator natin, retain pa rin natin. We are not going to expand. 2 minus z, and then squared. So that is for division. Again, thank you. That ends our discussion for today, which is all about the derivative 1 using the power rule formula for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.